This is part 1A of the tutorials for creating a box here, and I'm going to put a hole in it here. So what I'm going to do is start off by selecting the face that I want, and if I hit Control D, it'll default me into the orientation. But if I get messed up like this and I don't know which way, again, Control D puts me back. If I'm messed up again, I can always come up to here, which is called Named Views, and if I want, for example, the right side, I can click to the right. If I want the top, I can get the top. And if I want to go back to default, I just click on default. Okay, so I'm going to put a hole through this surface over here. So I'm going to click on it. Left mouse click once, left mouse click again, and you can see how it goes dark green. Okay, so there's my dark green. That's the surface I'm working on. And I'm going to hit extrude. And you can see the reference lines appear, and they're in the dead center, which is good because this will help me out. And I'm going to go up to here and go sketch view, which puts me into a 2D drawing plane. So I'm going to select circle or center circle and grab the center of it, and I'm going to go to any size I want because I can change it afterwards. So once I've drawn my circle, I can click anywhere out here in the white with my center mouse scroll button, and you can see the size appear. Now all I do is I click on here on the size, and I want it 8. So there's the right size of the hole, and I can just select OK. Okay, and now there's my extruded hole. Now the problem is I want it to go through. So up in here I have remove material. Okay, I have change the depth direction. So obviously I want it to go through there, so I got to change the depth. And you can see there's no hole yet, so I have to remove the material. And there's material removed. And now I need to go all the way through. Now I could just drag this white and go all the way through there. And now I got a hole. Okay, that's easy enough to do. Or I can double click it because I know it's 30 and say, well, it's 30 deep. And again, there's my hole. Okay. Or the better way to do it, because I know I'm going from this surface to that surface, is simply come up here and select through. And when I do that, or it says extrude to intersect with all surfaces, or through. And now I click through it, and there's my hole. So Control D just to reorientate it. Okay, and you can see it all the way through, and it's done. So I just hit accept, and I have my first hole done. And that is where I'm going to conclude, so you can go on to part 2 of the tutorial.